I want everyone to see something super ratchet. You're being a pussy. You need to expose yourself by pimps. They're my pimps. Because I am obsessed with every hotter. Super freaking cool, you guys. That I want more pimples. I can't speak. What? Hello everybody, I have missed you guys very much and I'm super excited today because I'm going to be showing you how to do a summery glowy makeup look. It's going to be super natural and stay tuned at the end because I'm going to show you how to make it look flawless and seamless, and I have a few tips, so stay tuned. I really hope that I can help you guys make all those mother drop dead in the street for you, because even though it's a global pandemic, you really can't stop a girl from trying. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. First of all though, how freaking good does this look? I cannot wait to put this in my mouth, but I just wanted to show everyone. I hate those people that say phone eats first, but since I've been making smoothie bowls, it's just had to be like that. Alright, I want everyone to see something super ratchet. This is how I record my videos. Now that I have totally exposed myself, because this is a summer makeup look, you need to expose yourself by going outside into the bright natural light and basically figure out what your true and real skin color is, because when we're in the sun in the summer, you can 100% see if the color of your neck does not match your face, so be really careful with that. That's kind of what I've done. It's probably not gonna be perfect because I'm gonna be using some new products today that I got, which I'm super excited about. It's called Amazing Cosmetics. Right out of the box, this is what it looks like. It's a primer. It's an awesome brand. It is a woman-run business, which is super freaking cool, you guys. We need more women CEOs out there. And it's just super inspiring, so definitely check them out. This is the Illuminate Primer Highlighter Ageless Skin Perfected. Ooh, I'm just gonna use a little bit. And I like to put primer on the center of my face. It's nice and glowy for the summer. We don't want to look too oily and stuff because we get shiny, especially when we're outside, but I love the dewy, glowy look. My skin just looks great right now. Except for these freaking honkers. I don't know where those are even coming from. Well, I think this is my fault for having pimples. I literally wished to myself before that I want more pimples just so that I could pop them, because I'm obsessed with popping pimples. Who else? Who's with me? I freaking love popping pimples. Okay, so the concealer in medium beige. This might be too dark for me because I'm kind of pale. I've been tanning, but it's kind of been working, kind of not. But, oh, whoa. This is really super interesting. What? So I just opened the top and it's like concealer in this little, in the cap, there's concealer. And then you open it and there's a baby mirror. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. I love this. Okay. I might need to read the directions because I'm mentally challenged. Containing hydrating ingredients. Perfect for the summer. I'm gonna guess that what's in this bottle is the foundation. What is in the cap, I'm pretty sure, is the concealer. The key to a summer look is to not pack everything on there. You can even use your fingers. What's really nice to use is like a tiny foundation brush like this. I literally got this from TJ Maxx, which is my favorite store. And I'm gonna apply a very slight amount. I'm not gonna go ham. Starting on the outside of my face and then slowly going inwards. That's really gonna give you a nice natural look as well, because especially if you have freckles or like redness in your cheeks, you want that to shine through and make it look like the sun kissed your face. And I'm gonna put a little more on to cover my little pimps. The pimps. They're my pimps. They're the gangsters. I got gangsters on my face. I just think it's really funny because I'm completely alone right now and I feel like I'm my own best friend. That's what I was actually learning the other day, that we should treat ourselves like we're our own best friend, but a lot of us don't do that and we're really rude to ourselves, and we all need to work on that as a collective group. Honestly, I've been talking to myself a little bit and I've been like, Brina, be nice when I mess up or something. So especially if you don't have the right foundation shade for you, you're going to want to bring it down to the neck area and at least blend in at the bottom of the chin, get deep into your neck. You can even get onto the ears as well. I just feel like I see so many girls struggling with this problem where they make their necks and their faces a completely different color. Please tell your friend if she's orange and the rest of her body is a different color. Just be a nice person. You think you're being nice not telling her, you're not. You're being a pussy. I feel like you can't really tell like there's foundation on my face right now. It's super glowy and natural. We can do a little bit of concealer, I guess, because I really want to use it. I'm just going to take my finger into this top part and I'm just going to rub it under my eye. And this is especially nice because it will illuminate our under eyes and make us look more awake. And it won't seem like you're really wearing anything, honestly, because if you're applying it with your fingers, it blends in with the rest of your complexion. A little bit on your nose as well. And this is just a lighter shade a little bit so that when the sun hits our face, we'll be illuminated in the right places. When you bite your lip, you can tell the shade that you need to use on your lip, and when you pinch your cheeks, you can see the shade that you need to use on your face, like the blush tone, because it goes with your natural complexion. I'm gonna do that. That's gonna feel awkward, but I'm just gonna do it. So I feel like my lip is naturally super pink. I'm gonna use this Dose of Colors Nude Mood lipstick. I know I'm applying my lipstick right now. This should be the last step, but I wanna do it now. Don't judge me. So I'm gonna put this Buxom lip gloss on in Sandy. We can put on a little powder, just the slightest. My homie G powder. I'm just gonna put it on the center of my face a little bit because we don't wanna look sweaty and weird. Next comes the blush. I am going to use Ebony Fit Me Blush in Mauve. Put it on the apples of your cheeks. It looks like I'm telling a scary story or something. This is where the sun is going to hit your cheeks. Walking down the street. Super cute, natural. That's the key, pink color. You know what I really like to do for a summer glow look? Highlighter! Ah! Surprise, surprise. I'm gonna do the Champagne Pop. Any highlighter from BECCA is gas. Choo-choo. I'm not gonna put it in my cheeks because I'm already a little bit glowy. So I'm gonna put it in my corner, and I just feel like this really makes the eyes pop. This could blind you. This could blind a bitch for sure. Oh, can I do something innovative? This bobby pin is fine, I mean. Okay, okay. I feel like this is gonna work. Yes, this is gonna stay. I never even thought of this. YouTube is making me an inventor. Trick that I like to do. Brown eyeliner on my lids and then I smudge it. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay eye pencil in Stray Dog. Interesting. And then I'm going to be using this sort of brush. It's like a flat brush. I'm putting it right on the, I don't know what it's called. It's not the waterline, but it's like on the eyelid. Right next to the lash line. Now I got it. I'm gonna take my brush, blend it upwards, and take my finger a little bit and also smudge it out. It doesn't look like actual eyeshadow really, and I just make sure to take my brush and blend it upwards so that it doesn't look like you just have a line of brown. Time for the eyebrows. I'm going to take my eyebrow pencil in Ebony and brush my brows out. I'm gonna keep them very natural because I feel like the brows kind of can give it all away to those on the streets if you don't want them to know you're wearing makeup. Because if they're too thick, a girl knows, a girl knows. I love talking in accents. Oh, I have a fantastic British accent. If somebody who's British is watching this right now, please rate my accent on a scale of 1 to 10 because I've been watching the Great British Baking Show. Literally am obsessed with the Great British Baking Show. I've been practicing for a very long time. How is that? That was fantastic. Anywho, these are the completed brows. Literally took me 5 seconds. This look could take you a total of 5 minutes. I just literally talk so freaking much. That's why it's taking me a while. I'm gonna use, I can't speak. When I get nervous, I start touching my head. Okay. I'm at a loss for words. I'm just gonna go ahead and actually spritz the face before you do mascara. I'm telling you guys, listen to me on this one. A little spray, a little dab. You're going to apply that mascara. Honestly, if I'm trying to do a more natural look, I'd probably do this CoverGirl one. I like it. It's just almost out. I feel like for summer you don't want those like super thick lashes, and I was gonna use that one, but since I'm out, I'm just gonna use this one, which is the Monsieur Big Lancôme. Just gonna apply that real quick. Be right back. Alright, I've applied my mascara, and this is the final summer look. If you get mascara on your eyes, I have a big tip for you. You're gonna wait 5 minutes, and then you're gonna take a Q-tip. You're gonna wait till it dries, and then you're just gonna flick it off. Your eyeshadow won't come off. Whatever is on your eyelids won't come off. I will demonstrate that to you. Here I have a little bit mascara. I'm gonna wait 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna flick it off. Alright, so I just used this Q-tip to remove the makeup that was up here, and it totally came off. As you can see, it's literally just the mascara on the Q-tip, and it totally comes off, and I use this trick all the time. And you guys, I'm literally wearing foundation right now, and I feel like it looks like I'm wearing nothing. This is crazy. Also, I am going to do, I literally cannot speak. I'm going to be doing yoga right now. I'm gonna see how long this makeup lasts through sweating and things like that. So I'm gonna record the time and then show you guys what time it is after I do my yoga, and we'll see how long this lasts. As of current, 5:52. I feel like people aren't gonna believe me. 5:52 p.m. 5:52. All right, so this is me after 4 hours. So now it's 10 p.m. This is my face. So I still have makeup on my face. I feel like kind of came off, which I'm not surprised about because I was doing yoga and I was sweating. I also ate a ton of food because I was so hungry. Yeah, so all my lipstick came off. That kind of goes to show about dose of colors. Not so great, but my face still looks really great and dewy and natural, so I'm loving that. Hope this gave you guys some insights on the product. What I used on my face, it's definitely super awesome for summer. You can build up for a more full coverage kind of look. Alright guys, this is the final look. I am so excited about it, and I loved all the products that I used. I also love Amazing Cosmetics. This is my first time ever using those products. Please like, subscribe, comment down below if you love my British accent or you think it's disrespectful to the British people. I need constructive criticism too because I'm really trying to improve on that. Anyways, I'm trying to figure out a time where I consistently post, but I feel like I'm just such an inconsistent, all over the place kind of person. Love you!
Now where's your picket fence, love? And where's that shiny car? And did it ever get you far?